hello, namaste. Welcome to Morpankha Entertainment. In this channel, we can see the various type of TRP. Especially, we can see the regional TRP like Telugu serial, Kannada serial, Bengali serial, and as well as the Hindi serials. So, in today's video, we can see the top 25 Telugu serials with their respective TRP. So, before starting today's video, the small request for all of you, please, if you like today's video, then please like our video, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Morpankha Entertainment for more updates. So let's start today's video. First of all, we can see the shows between top 25 to top 21. So on number 25, we have Star Ma show Gupet Tatha Mansu, and this week TRP of Gupet Tatha Mansu is 4.59. With this TRP, Gupet Tatha Mansu is coming in average category. Then on number 24, we have the Telugu show Radhamma Kutharu, and this week TRP of Radhamma Kutharu is 4.59. With this TRP, Radhamma Kutharu is coming in average category. Then on number 23, we have Star Ma show Madhura Nagarilo, and this week TRP of Madhura Nagarilo is 4.65. With this TRP, Madhura Nagarilo is coming in average category. Then on number 22, we have the Telugu show Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup, and this week TRP of Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup is 4.67. With this TRP, Rajeshri Vilas Coffee Cup is coming in average category. Then on number 22, we have the Telugu show Radhakka Nivaru Pranam, and this week TRP of Radhakku Nivra Pranam is 4.86. With this TRP, Radhakku Nivra Pranam is coming in average category. Then on number 21, we have Star Ma show Vantalaka, and this week TRP of Vantalaka is 4.19. With this TRP, Vantalaka is coming in average category. So now we can see the shows between top 20 to top 15. Then on number 20, we have Star Ma show Janaki Kalaguna Ledu, and this week TRP of Janaki Kalaguna Ledu is 4.90. With this TRP, Janaki Kalaguna Ledu is coming in average category. Then on number 19, we have the Telugu show Surya Kantam, and this week TRP of Surya Kantam is 4.94. With this TRP, Surya Kantam is coming in good category. Then on number 18, we have the Telugu show Inennu Janma Bandhana, and this week TRP of Inennu Janmana Bandhana is 5.06. With this TRP, Inennu Janmana Bandhana is coming in good category. Then on number 17, we have Star Ma show Yada Lelu Indradhanusu, and this week TRP of Yada Lela Indradhanusu is 5.25. With this TRP, Yada Lelu Indradhanusu is coming in good category. Then on number 7, we have Star Ma show Intakki Dipam Ilayu, and this week TRP of Intakki Dipam Ilayu is 5.25. With this TRP, Intakki Ilayu Dipam is coming in good category. So now we can see the shows between top 15 to top 11. So on number 15, we have the Telugu show Mukkupuda, and this week TRP of Mukkupuda is 5.37. With this TRP, Mukkupuda is coming in good category. Then on number 14, we have the Telugu show Budamma Katha, and this week TRP of Budamma Katha is 5.40. With this TRP, Budamma Katha is coming in good category. Then on number 13, we have Star Ma show Pape Ma Jivana Jyoti, and this week TRP of Pape Ma Jivana Jyoti is 5.54. With this TRP, Pape Ma Jivana Jyoti is coming in good category. Then on number 12, we have the Telugu show Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati, and this week TRP of Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is 6.54. With this TRP, Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Saubhagyavati is coming in good category. So now we can see the show between top 10 to top 6. So on number 10, we have Star Ma show Mali, and this week TRP of Mali is 6.54. With this TRP, Mali is coming in good category. Then on number 9, we have Star Ma serial Nu Nena Prema, and this week TRP of Nu Nena Prema is 7.08. With this TRP, Nu Nena Prema is coming in good category. Then on number 8, we have Star Ma serial Krishnama Kalpatti Idaranati, and this week TRP of Krishnama Kalpatti Idaranati is 7.00. With this TRP, Krishnama Kalpatti Idaranati is coming in good category. On number 7, we have the Telugu show Amai Guru, This week TRP of Amai Guru is 7.25. With this TRP, Amai Guru is coming in good category. Then on number 6, we have the Telugu show Padmati Sandhya Ragama, and this week TRP of Padmati Sandhya Ragama is 7.99, 7.99. With this TRP, Padmati Sandhya Ragama is coming in great category. So we can see the top 25 Telugu shows of this week. For top 5 Telugu shows of this week, please watch recent video on Morapankha Entertainment. And if you like today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe Morapankha Entertainment, and especially this Telugu TRP's video, because it's a little step from you, but it means a lot for us. So see you in next video. Till then, take care.